this is Chef Poul. With me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
Alright, so we're going to be making what we call some nuggets. It's not going to be chicken nuggets. It's going to be a mixture of a bunch of things. It's going to be really good because honestly, we're not going to be sitting here deep frying anything, but we're going to have a really good one here. Now here I've got some potatoes and we're going to be making some mashed potatoes. I'm going to try 5. We may need to come back and make a little bit more because we didn't have enough, but this should be enough. Shouldn't be a big deal. I've got some chicken out here and that's going to be all right. We're not going to worry about the chicken yet. We're not going to worry about anything else yet. So what we're going to do at this step here, we're going to make mashed potatoes, and then we're going to mash them all up until like a mushy type of substance like mashed potatoes, till it's nice and cold, because we're not going to work them when they're hot. So as soon as this is done, we're going to let this cool, and then we'll come back for the rest of it. So we're back. So we got our mashed potatoes in here. And yes, we leave the skins on, and I'm going to tell you why. Because leaving the skins on gives you more of a, gives you more iron. So, you know what I mean? It's pretty important for that. Now, where I'm using chicken here, I'm going to use a different knife because I do want that knife for something else. So, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take some chicken. And then I'm going to stick this in here.
Food processor.
Food processor. And I still have more room in here, thankfully. And I'm going to cut my onion up good enough. And that should be good.
Oh.
Bad Amy.
Runaway onion.
So at this point, we're done with this. It's got chicken on it. It's not good. Amy's going to have to mop that anyways.
Or sweep.
Both. It needs to be mopped. Okay, so we're going to close this up here. Now, I usually advertise we don't need to go crazy with the food processor, but this time I kind of almost want to puree it. So give me one more second because I just handled chicken. So on this, we're gonna go a little bit more crazy on this. And did I actually plug this in? No, I didn't.
You unplugged the wrong one. Oh. There.
Now this might take a little bit longer than normal because we really want this down. And
looks good.
Looks good to me. But you know what? I'm going to do this a little bit longer just to make sure. Alright, that definitely should be good now. Yeah, it's going to be a little cranky. Nothing new. Because this has got onion and chicken in it, it's going to be a little cantankerous, and that's fine. I'm going to put 2 eggs in this. There we go. So let's put this in here. And to be honest with you, this does not take longer. If it seems like my videos take a long time and I'm like, it seems like my videos take a long time to make food, it doesn't. If you think about it, a lot of times you can take a few moments and do things multitasking, but if I'm trying to teach you how to do something, then I'm going to take my time and teach how to do it right. Now, I could have just easily just whipped this together and you could figure it out, but I think it's a little bit better if I take my time. So I'm going to add 2 eggs in here. Now it's the fun part here. I'm gonna add some spices.
Is there anything in it? Nope. All right.
So we're gonna add a bunch of ground black pepper because ground black pepper is great. Then I'm going to add some onion powder, not onion salt, onion powder. And then some dill. Dill's always good.
Yeah, it is.
And then some smoked paprika and onion. Give it a little bit of heat, not a whole lot, but it will give it some. And then turmeric.
Which is good for lots of health conditions.
Yeah, so Tiraho and Jess, you absolutely positively need to have turmeric. And then Amy's favorite wooden spoon. Gonna make it dirty so she can't use it on me tonight.
No.
You want to make sure that you're breaking this egg up. Well, eggs, and you're going to sit here and going to take a few minutes and you're going to totally break this down and mix it so the spices are all integrated in, the eggs all in, everything
Mixed in.
And then we're going to start with the next process. You might want to think about sauces. I think we're almost out of most of ours for now.
We have sweet Thai chili, though.
Yeah, we have that, so that might be all right. Anything plum, I think we might have some of that. Plum and cherry sauce, those are 2 really good ones to use. This is almost going to be like a chicken McNugget, and I think I was going to use a little bit of flour, was I?
Were you?
I don't think so.
No?
We got potato in there, that should be good enough.
Yeah.
So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and I'm going to move Amy's phones out of the way here because I don't want to.
I moved them out of the way completely. We're using the air fryer.
Yeah, so what we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to set this to, I'm going to say 400, and I'm going to preheat this 10 minutes just so that it's going to be ready for us when it's done. Because this is going to take quite a few runs by the time we're done.
Yeah, well, we have quite a bit there.
Sometimes you want to have some flour and cornstarch and stuff to get this firm up. Where we're already using potatoes, this should be good enough.
It looks like it's already thick.
And it is very thick. So So what we're going to do here is we're going to let the air fryer heat up, and then what we're going to do from here is we're going to make this into small little nugget-like squares. And then we're going to stick them in the air fryer. In reality, this wasn't really that hard to do, now was it?
No.
It was super easy.
Very easy.
It's all mixed up. Now, if you're only making an upper meal, you could have used the food processor, and you could have done everything in one swoop. And I don't want to do that. It just didn't make sense to me to do it that way. So we didn't. So that's all we're doing for now. So we're going to come back once the food processor is preheated enough. You always want to heat that up. Jess, this is mostly for you because you said you wanted to start using the air fryer more. So we're going to show you something on the air fryer. So we're going to be back probably about 10 minutes once that heats up, and we'll show you then. Welcome back. So now we've got this ready. Our oven is preheated.
Air fryer.
Air fryer, sorry. So hard to. So I'm just going to make little patties. That's really all it is. It's not that hard. It's going to take a little bit of time, mind you, because it's going to cook for about 20 minutes.
Yeah, because the chicken is raw. So, chicken needs to get cooked.
And my thing there is only so big.
Air fryer.
The air fryer pan is pretty small comparatively.
Yeah.
Because I'm not necessarily used to cooking this many. And it's to the point I'm probably going to get a pan out
And do it in the oven?
and do some more in the oven because that might make things go a little quicker.
Yeah.
But I just wanted people to be able to see what it's like in the
air fryer.
The air fryer. This should taste pretty good, I think.
I think so.
So, Amy, could you be so kind and...
Turn the water on?
Nah. So
20 minutes.
Just gonna put that in. That's all right. So that's in there, and we're gonna. I'm actually gonna start putting this 400. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna let this cook for 20 minutes. Now everybody's going to have different results, so you might have to put yours a little longer. We're probably going to have to put ours a little longer.
Yeah.
Not a big deal. So when they're done cooking, we'll come back and we'll show you what it looks like. Welcome back. So before we go any further, let's hit that like, share, subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. If you don't hit it, Amy's going to get mad and she's going to beat me. She laughs, but she knows it's true.
No.
So, how do these look?
Really, really good. I think they turned out really good.
I think so too. We got 2 other pans in the oven right now, so we gotta wait for this to finish, but take a good look at that here for a moment.
And they're homemade. So much better than store-bought.
I don't know if you can even buy these in the store because it's kind of...
Yeah, kind of unique, isn't it?
Kind of unique. but we're gonna let these cool down a little bit. We still got 5 minutes for these. We're gonna have them for dinner tonight. We're gonna have a little bit of corn with them, yeah, this is gonna be great. It looks great. I mean, it's gonna taste great, methinks. So that's what this is. So if you try this out, let me know. Put your thoughts in the comments. But please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Until next time, please do share, because Amy's gonna kill me if you don't. But anyways, have a great day.